Grasshoppers are invading Las Vegas. Oh shit.
At night.
And we need to capture these bugs and eat them. Oh yeah, I got a couple in there.
Aren't you glad I'm not super girly?
Yeah.
Because I'm over here fucking like, bam! I'm just saying, if the end of the world comes, I'm gonna fucking survive and other people aren't.
Hell yeah, that's why. You're a fucking warrior. This is dope. How many bros we got here? We got some bros in there. I mean, if I straight up just like throw them in there, ready?
Yeah. Just throw them in there. Get closer down.
Oh yeah, it's instant.
Oh, we got some of those little green ones.
Yeah, I got a couple of green ones, but that's enough to make a taco.
One taco. It's not, we have way more salsa than we do taco. This is Brian making salsa verde out of a molcajete.
Go.
We got tomatillos, about 2 tomatillos, it was like 4 tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, some onion, and a little bit of garlic. It's gonna be spicy.
Ooh.
Let's take that out so it's not that spicy.
Oops.
So about what was it? 10 minutes later, we have salsa verde.
Can I try it?
Yep, try it.
What? You stop.
Oh, that's spicy. Oh. All right, do your thing. Oh, what? Why are they sizzling?
Because it's vinegar and baking soda.
Oh.
I'm trying to clean it up. This is what my dad and I do with all our vegetables that we grow.
Baking soda and vinegar?
And we rinse it out.
Oh!
Oh, they're still wet.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they're still wet.
Oh, they're not doing
Bro, it's about to be a party. Bro, it's about to be a party.
Ooh. Wow, they look really good. Yeah. Holy crap. They're really good. Oh, a bunch of coconut oil over my... Oh, I got a bunch of salsa on me too. Dang it. Yeah.
Look about avocado and then you got a complete meal.
Look at that. It's perfect. 2 big ass cricket taco. Oh, dang it. Grasshopper tacos.
Sorry.
Party, dude. It's a party.
Okay, un tantito de salsita. Won't put too much. Alright. Do you want avocado?
Nah, I think it'll be good.
Bottoms up, bro.
Yeah? Hey, wait, let's toast. Let's toast.
To a hard-earned meal. One got out.
Put it back in. Cheers, mate.
Good, right?
Grasshopper tacos. Oh, yeah, let's get some more of that salsa. It literally tastes like popcorn.
I just like popcorn because we fried them. Babe.
We're legit gonna have to gather more crickets someday, or grasshoppers, because that was awesome. Oh, Thomas, you missed out, dude. All right, Las Vegas. So, even though we have a grasshopper issue, this is how we solve the problem. We capture them and we eat them. All of them. They're delicious.
You see a problem. I see dinner.
Yes.